Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. So for today's video, we are going to pick up Kara and we're gonna have brunch in the yacht club. Because I'm off today, I didn't work. And she doesn't have work too. And my husband's not here. So we're just gonna go and have brunch and do our errands today. We might go to get some groceries or go shopping somewhere. And I'll bring you with me.
What do you want to say to Kara CSA?
On my way. So this is our yacht club. That's the office.
Hi, Nick.
Good morning.
This is Nancy at Surrogate Yacht
She's
Club.
busy.
Just wanted to let you know that we hope everybody's gift certificates from the club
What's that busy here? Let's go. Huh? No, here, there, it's in here. Where do you want to sit? There's a bathroom here, a restroom here. Hey, good morning. I think I'm gonna sit here outside. It's so pretty. Well, the sun is out. It's not out yet. And there's our boat. Wait, how do you do this? There's our boat. Can you see? If you go on this side, you're gonna see the San Diego Bay. There, that's the bay. Oh, I'm hungry. I need to eat. So on the weekends, and when I'm off, normally this is where we have breakfast. It's really nice to be here. It's relaxing. See all those boats. Thank you. So normally this is where we have brunch on the weekend when I'm off. And this is Josh, right?
Yes.
And you look like my cousin, literally.
Yeah?
Yeah. And his name is Josh too.
Is it really?
Yeah. That's why remember we were having lunch last time with my grandma?
Here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were like talking about you. We were like, he looks like Joshua, like my cousin.
That's so funny.
Yeah.
You guys,
My vlog.
Sure, yeah. I was actually just about to ask you about that.
Yeah, I just started doing this vlog thing.
That's awesome.
There's our food. Wait,
There you
let me.
are. Short rib dip in all of its glory. Lobster Louis as well.
And guys, meet Josh.
Nice to meet you guys.
Thank you, Josh.
Yeah, I mean, while I'm here, is there anything else?
Yeah, I can have hot sauce, please.
Hot sauce and some ketchup.
Ketchup, please.
Sure, yeah. I'll be right back.
Thank you. This is really good. Huh? We're so full. Well, I'm full. The sun's coming out. Mainit na. And that's the bay. All the boats are out. Yep, it's Sunday. It's gonna be hot. It feels humid. That's fun. Look, they're using the pool. Yeah. The sky is clear now. Lumiwanag na. Aray. Hey, that's the yacht club. I think next Monday we're gonna go out with our friends from Tucson. We're gonna cruise in the bay. And there's the Gita, there's our boat. This is our boat. That's our boat. So that's a swim step. This is the back of the boat. I'm gonna do a quick tour. We do have a grill here, so this is where we barbecue. We have an ice maker here. Well, there's a lot of ice. And storage. And we're gonna open the door. It's not opening. Oh fuck, it's the wrong key I got. Oh, this is not the boat key. Shit. So that's the inside. So I don't have the key. I bought the wrong key. This is a different key that I got. Shit. I thought this is the boat key. Okay, so I have to, I guess I have to do a different, I have to do the tour in a different day because ibang key na dala ko. Pasensya naman. Mali pala yung key na nadala ko. Sorry. Got the best table in the coffee shop. No, it's like you're in a jungle. And the table's right here. I'm waiting for Kara, just getting our drink. Right? Got the best table in the house. So so cool here. When we went there before, dati napunta kami dito, it's not like this. It's just like coffee shop, and they don't have this sound. Man, they put a sound, it's so loud.
We're like in a jungle. Feels like you're in a jungle. Very cool.
So hi guys, so now I am getting a car wash and I will end this vlog here. Hope you enjoy this short vlog, and I really do appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on my next. Have a great day, take care.